Let's look at how the grammar of the verbs want and suggest differ when there's a change of subject. We say, I want her to go. Notice three things. First, we do not use the word that. Second, the second subject, if it's a pronoun, uses the object form, her, not the subject form, she. Finally, the second verb appears in the infinitive form with to. I want her to go. Don't say, I want that she goes. Here's some other verbs that can use the same form. Ask, need, and tell when we're directing or ordering someone to do something. Recall that the verb suggest uses a different pattern. We can use the word that. It's optional. The second subject, if it's a pronoun, uses the subject form, she, not her. And the verb, in American English, usually appears in the base form. So I say, she go, not the present form, she goes. Do not say, I suggest her to go. Here are some other verbs that can use the same form: recommend, propose, and demand. So let's take a look again at the two different types of verbs. These verbs that use the want pattern are all one-syllable verbs, and they're Anglo-Saxon verbs. They're not from Romance languages. They don't look like Spanish verbs. They don't have cognates in Spanish. The verbs that can use this pattern all have cognates in Spanish, don't they? Recomendar, proponer, demandar. And they're more than one syllable. So that's not a permanent rule or a definite rule, but it often helps you know which verb can use which pattern.